Do you think you're a true Naruto fan? Then this quiz is just for you. Answer the toughest questions from the ninja world and prove that you are a Naruto universe master. But beware! Some questions are so tricky that even the greatest shinobi might get them wrong. Question number 1. Who was the first shinobi to awaken the Rinnegan after the Sage of Six Paths? A. Madara Uchiha. B. Nagato Uzumaki. C. Obito Uchiha. D. Sasuke Uchiha. Answer: Nagato Uzumaki. Nagato was given the Rinnegan by Madara Uchiha as part of his long-term plan, making him one of the strongest shinobi. Question number 2. What is the name of the forbidden jutsu used by Itachi Uchiha that traps an enemy in a time-altered illusion world? A. Tsukiyomi. B. Amaterasu. C. Kotomatsukami. D. Izanami. Answer: Tsukiyomi. Tsukiyomi is a powerful genjutsu that can make seconds feel like an eternity, causing immense psychological damage. Question number 3. Which of these tailed beasts has the least number of tails? A. Shuku. B. Gyuki. C. Mutabi. D. Isobu. Answer: Shuku. Shuku, the one-tailed beast, was originally sealed inside Garai and is known for its immense sand-based abilities. Question number 4. What was the final ability that Naruto gained in the Fourth Great Ninja War? A. Six-Path Sage Mode. B. Kurama Chakra Mode. C. Tenseigen. D. Susanoo. Answer: Six-Path Sage Mode. This ability was granted by Hagoromo Otsutsuki, allowing Naruto to wield immense power beyond regular Sage Mode. Question number 5. What is the name of Kakashi Hatke's father? A. Sakumo Hatke. B. Danzo Shimurai. C. Shisi Uchiha. D. Hiruzen Sarutobi. Answer: Sakumo Hatke. Known as the White Fang of the Leaf, he was a legendary ninja who was feared even by the Sannin. Question number 6. Who was the original creator of the Shadow Clone Jutsu? A. Tobirama Senju. B. Minato Namikaze. C. Jiraiya. D. Orochimaru. Answer: Tobirama Senju. The second Hokage was a genius inventor of many jutsus, including the infamous Edo Tensei. Question number 7. Which Akatsuki member had the unique ability to stitch his body together after injuries? A. Kakuju. B. Sasori. C. Hidan. D. Deidara. Answer: Kakuju. He could extend his lifespan indefinitely by stealing hearts from other shinobi. Question number 8. What was Sasuke's final Susanoo ability in Naruto Shippuden? A. Indra's Arrow. B. Amaterasu Sword. C. Kamui Shuriken. D. Rinne Shield. Answer: Indra's Arrow. This technique, combined with his Susanoo, was Sasuke's ultimate attack against Naruto. Question number 9. What was Naruto's first summoning jutsu? A. Toads. B. Snakes. C. Slugs. D. Hawks. Answer: Toads. After training with Jiraiya, Naruto signed a contract with the Toads of Mount Myoboku. Question number 10. Who was the first Kage of the Hidden Sand Village? A. Ritu. B. Genjutsu Hojuki. C. Byakuren. D. Make. Answer: Ritu. He was the first Kijikage who founded the Sand Village. Question number 11. Which Uchiha had the ability to use Kotomatsukami? A. Shisui Uchiha. B. Fuku Uchiha. C. Obito Uchiha. D. Itachi Uchiha. Answer: Shisui Uchiha. This genjutsu could control someone's mind without them realizing they were being controlled. Question number 12. How many times did Rock Lee use the 8 gates in battle? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer: 2. He first used it against Gaara and later in the Fourth Great Ninja War. Question number 13. What was the name of Madra's strongest fire style jutsu? A. Fire Release, Majestic Destroyer Flame. B. Fire Release, Dragon Flame Jutsu. C. Fire Release, Great Fireball. D. Fire Release, Phoenix Sage Fire. Answer: Fire Release, Majestic Destroyer Flame. This was one of the largest fire-style techniques seen in the series. Question number 14. What were Itachi Uchiha's last words to Sasuke? A. I will always love you. B. You are still weak. C. Destroy the leaf. D. Protect the Uchiha. Answer: I will always love you. Despite everything, Itachi always cared for Sasuke and wanted to protect him. Question number 15. Which ninja village was Kesme Hoshiki originally from? A. Hidden Mist. B. Hidden Cloud. C. Hidden Stone. D. Hidden Rain. Answer: Hidden Mist. He was known as the Monster of the Hidden Mist and was a member of the 7 Ninja Swordsmen. Question number 16. Who was the first Jinchuriki of Kurama? A. Mito Ujumki. B. Kushina Ujumki. C. Naruto Ujumki. D. Hashirama Seiju. Answer: Mito Ujumki. She was the wife of Hashirama Seiju and the first known Jinchuriki of the Nine Tails. Question number 17. What was the name of the sword wielded by Orochimaru? A. Kusanagi. B. Sumetai. C. Hirmekrei. D. Kubikuribocho. Answer: Kusanagi. A legendary blade that could extend and cut through almost anything. Question number 18. Who was the original leader of the Akatsuki? A. Yehiko. B. Nagato. C. Obito. D. Madara. Answer: Yeko. He founded Akatsuki as a group to bring peace before being manipulated by others. Question number 19. Who created the moon in the Naruto universe? A. Hagoromo and Hamura Otsutsuki. B. Kaguya Otsutsuki. C. Madara Uchiha. D. Asura Otsutsuki. Answer: Hagoromo and Hamura Otsutsuki. They sealed the Ten Tails and created the moon using Jibku Tensei. Question number 20. What was Jiraiya's last book called? A. The Tale of the Utterly Gutsy Shinobi. B. Makeout Tactics. C. The Legend of Naruto Ujumki. D. The Puri Sage's Final Adventure. Answer: The Tale of the Utterly Gutsy Shinobi. This book inspired Naruto's dream and shaped his destiny. If you enjoyed this quiz, let us know your score in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss more exciting quizzes videos.